Do you want to learn how to use a pendulum for Reiki and energy healing? In this video, I'll share with you my personal step-by-step process to using a pendulum in a Reiki or other energy healing session. I'm George Lizos, and I empower lightworkers with tools and guidance to find, follow, and fulfill their life purpose. If you're ready to follow yours, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'm also excited to announce that my third book, Protect Your Light, is now available to order globally on Amazon. In the book, you'll learn powerful practices to cleanse, shield, and strengthen your energy so that you can follow your purpose fearlessly. Specifically, you'll get to cut cords to toxic relationships, remove psychic daggers of attack, and learn how to effectively protect your energy online. I'll pop the link for it in the description below so you can check it out. The pendulum is a powerful tool to getting quick binary answers to important decisions, but also to locate various items, substances, energies, and people. And this includes locating energy blocks in people, such as in the case of giving a Reiki or energy healing session. Usually, when clients come to me for an in-person session, I use my pendulum to scan their aura and body to identify different blockages, energy attacks, and even spirit attachments. And then also, I use a pendulum to release and heal that. Pendulums are powerful screening and healing tools, and in this video, I'll explain how to use them for these purposes too. By the way, I've created a free guide sharing tools and practices to help you develop your intuition so that you can use pendulums more effectively. I'll share the link for it in the description below so you can check it out. Before I share how you can use a pendulum for healing, I want to share a little bit about how to choose the right pendulum for you. Pendulums can be made of different materials, but the most common ones are made of wood, metal, glass, plastic, crystals, stones, and clay. I've used pendulums made of different materials, but my current favorite ones are clay pendulums. The ones I have here are handmade clay pendulums made by Joanna Cabot from Holistic Ceramics, who was kind enough to gift these to me. The benefit of using handmade ceramic pendulums is that they are one of a kind. They hold the prayers and intentions of the maker, and being made out of the earth, they help you stay grounded, which is an essential element to giving accurate readings. I'll pop the links to Joanna's holistic pendulums in the description below so you can check them out. Okay, are you ready to learn how to advance your pendulum skills by learning how to use pendulums for Reiki and energy healing? Let's do this. The first step to using your pendulum in a Reiki or energy healing setting would be to program your pendulum to identify energy blockages. And you do this by holding your pendulum close to your heart and just setting the intention of identifying what's blocking your client from being healthy and vital. It helps to mentally think about energy blockages or even create a visual of them in your mind in a way that makes sense to you. This communicates to the pendulum what to look out for. Additionally, you can ask the pendulum to swing strongly if there's an imbalance or remain idle if there isn't one. And you don't need to program your pendulum for swinging directions, but you may if you want to. Secondly, have your client sit, stand, or lay down, and then slowly move your pendulum around their body, starting from the top of their head, going all the way down to their feet. As programmed, while you move your pendulum, you'll notice it swinging in strong circular motions in areas of the body and aura that are particularly blocked and therefore need extra healing. So make sure to make a note of these so you can work on them later. The third step has to do with using your pendulum to heal the blockages you identified. Although you can use your hands to send Reiki or energy healing if you prefer, your pendulum can do an equally good job. So to use your pendulum for healing, mentally ask your pendulum to project Reiki or energy healing light while swinging it. So going through each of the blocked areas, hold the pendulum next to or above each area and visualize it sending energy healing light. And when the pendulum swings get smaller or the pendulum stops swinging completely, then the healing is complete and the blockage has been removed. By the way, I'm curious, have you ever used a pendulum for Reiki or energy healing before? And what has been your experience with it? Let me know in the comments below. Also, I have an entire series of YouTube videos teaching you how to use pendulums effectively. I'll pop the links in the description below so you can check them out. Another important step you can take to more effectively use pendulums for healing would be to cleanse your energy before using them. The cleaner your energy, the more present you'll be to receive the answer. So if you want to learn how to thoroughly cleanse and protect your energy, make sure to check out my book, Protect Your Light. In the book, you learn my entire 7-step system to energy protection, which includes cleansing and shielding practices, as well as processes to protect your energy online. It's available to order on Amazon and all online retailers in print, digital, and audio formats, so be sure to check it out. You can get even more guidance on pendulums in my free Facebook group for Lightworkers, Your Spiritual Toolkit. It's full of trainings and prompts from others and myself to guide you on your path. If you feel called to join us, I would love to see you there. Thank you so much for watching, Lightworker. I hope you've enjoyed this, I hope you've learned something, and I hope you're a step closer to using pendulums for energy healing. Please let me know any questions you have, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.